too far. I think the shoulder on your left is higher as well than the shoulder on the right. I think they're slightly, other way, sorry, your left's higher.
There.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good for that one. And then the green one down as well.
This down?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks nice. It also looks quite separate from Rob's as well, which is good.
Yeah, because if that is a timeline, then let's make it look like a timeline.
We can make the distinction, could give more space in the middle, so this is military, Regency.
Yeah, this is military, but not necessarily the middle one.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can see now there is. So I think how do you make those a little bit more articulated? I think that's a good idea. It's almost like there's a hat too many to do. Yeah.
And then that really gives you that definition. And then this can have a bit more space to itself. And you can see the hat behind.
So if that plant's really right in the middle.
Right there.
Yeah.
And then hats, I think like that.
Yeah.
So it's talking to that. And then what about this?
It just feels like a hat too many.
He does really like that one.
I'm sure.
This is Napoleon.
Yeah, okay.
I know.
I mean, I can see how these work together, and I can't quite see how that works.
Let's take it out.
I'm also looking, if you look in, I know we don't need to balance the rooms, but when you look in this room and then this room, you think, oh, is that a bit spare? And then you look at this.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's nicer without that.
It is nicer without the other hat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because I think when you put that other hat in, the gold shifts back a level.
Well, also as well, you've got, it's 3 at the front, 3 at the front, 4, 4. It just reads nicer.
I feel like that hat visually
Yeah.
At this level, it brings in a layer of confusion that doesn't help.
No, the only other thing you could do is shove the hat on the mannequin, but the heads look terrible when they're shoved in.
Do they?
Try it.
Not even get this much.
You have to push it right in. Oh, see.
Oh, do you actually spear that into the...
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see how it looks. You know, that actually looks okay up there.
Does it?
Yeah, I think so. It's not disturbing me.
It's not horrific.
No, it's really not.
No, to be fair, because you can't see any of the colour of the thing, can you?
It's actually quite nicely plain.
Yeah.